Let's see how to block spam calls on iPhone. Just come here to settings, go all the way down and tap on apps. In here, you're gonna go down again until you find the phone app. There we go. Tap on it and then go down until you find this screen and no callers. In here, you can just select never calls from unsaved numbers. So just come here and you can select here to silence who's calling if you want to, ask a reason for calling, or just enable here on no callers and spam. This will be identified by the company operator like Xfinity, for example. Okay. And you can also here take a look at the blocked contacts. If you just tap on it, you're gonna see the blocked contacts. If I type here, you see that I have a lot of them. Okay, so super simple. Basically, that's the way you can block spam calls on your iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.